spot. First things first, let's get the skepticalness out the way. Is this company legit? Very legit. I'm here. The name of our company is Superior Freebies LLC. Been in business for 3 years now. I'm on the Better Business Bureau website, the BBB. If you know anything about them, then you know you cannot be a scam on this site. Okay, so here we are. We have an A+ rating over here, or A rating with the Better Business Bureau. I'm also on Scam Advisor. This is a website that you go to when you want to find out if something is a scam or not. So I put in our website, Superior Freebies. I click check now just to make sure that this is not a scam, so that you won't guys will not get cheated out of anything. So once this loads up, I'll be able to go ahead and show you that this company is 100% legit. Okay. While we're doing that, let me skip back over here to the Better Business Bureau, kind of show you we're based out of Cincinnati. Okay. Okay, looks like high trusted rating. This site looks safe to use. All right, looks safe. 98%. We're in the green. It's all good to go. Okay. So that's out the way. No more need to be skeptical. You're dealing with something very legit. Now, what is it that we do? Well, this company here is basically the middleman. We're saving Fortune 500 companies a whole lot of money on their advertising budget by promoting the companies for them. Okay, that's what we do. We promote the companies for them. So what companies are we promoting? Fortune 500 companies like Netflix, Walmart, Uber, Hulu, companies that you heard of, creditscore.com, different companies like that. Okay, it's tons of LifeLock, as you can see. So we help them so that they don't have to spend money on advertising for commercials on TV, because that does cost a lot of money. They rather use us as word of mouth, okay, to tell people, to get people and drive traffic to their sites to try free trials, so that they can get people to click on their website. And so that's what we do, okay. So what your job would be, well, first let me explain this, okay? So in order for you to get qualified, okay, on this company, you will need to receive 1 credit, okay? When you first sign up to this, okay, your bar here will be red, meaning that you didn't do your 1 credit. See, I have 55 and 50, so that was 105. Up here it shows that I've completed my credit. And guess what? I will never have to do this again. Okay? I have the company for life. This is my own business. I can run it whenever I want to, and I can get paid every single day, because we do pay daily. Okay? Every single day, literally, to your PayPal account. Or, if you want to get paid direct deposit, it'll be 1 to 3 days. If you want to receive a check, it'll be 5 to 7 days. So we do PayPal because they pay daily. Okay? So, back here where I was at. So, in order for you to get started, once you click the link below this video, it'll have you sign up. So let me show you the page here. Once you click the link below this video, it will bring you to a page like this, okay? This is my referral number, so make sure you see my ID here. But you want to click PayPal because you get paid daily, okay? Like I said, with direct deposit, it'll be 1 to 3 days. If you want to check, it'll be 5 to 7 days. So you want to get paid every single day. We pay out within 60 minutes or 30 minutes, 30 to 60 minutes, you'll get paid, okay? Every day. You want to put your a valid email address right here, okay? Once you sign in, then you will be on the page that I showed you here. Like I said, your bar here will be red, okay, until you complete one offer. So, in order for you to complete an offer, you will need to go to the offers tab, click it, and then it will bring up all of the offers that you need to do. All you need to do is get 1 credit, okay? And why do you have to do this? Because in order for you to advertise something, you need to be able to be familiar with the product, okay? Uh, a lot of these isn't something that needs to be shipped to your house. This is something that can be done online. if you, a lot of this stuff is stuff you can use. What I did, I'll show you the ones I did. I did the credit score because I needed to check my credit anyway. So I did that. And then I believe I did one of these 45 ones. Okay. Now, what you need to know is once you complete your credit or once you do one of these, I think this one is a subscription, so you need to cancel it before your 7-day trial is up. Okay. I think this one only costs $1. Okay, to check your credit score, and then after that, make sure you cancel your subscription so that they don't bill you in 7 days. Just wait like 2 days and cancel your subscription. And then another one of these. Um, just pick whichever one's best for you. If you want LifeLock, if it's something you find you need, if you need a domain name from GoDaddy, you can use that. You know, just go through here, find out one that you need or you could use. No, this is the one I did. I did this one. Okay. So I did this one and then the credit score. So these are the two that I did. You could do the same two. Completely up to you. Okay. So after you do that, then you're good to go. Your credit, you'll turn green, and then you're good to go. All you will have to do, show you how simple this is to make money, you guys. You go to your status. All you have to do is grab this link right here. Okay. And then you can go to Google, type in Google shortener. And then from there, you're ready, to do the same thing. All you have to do is get other people to try a trial or two, and the company will pay you $27 every 30 minutes, okay, for each person that you get to just do that little bit of nothing that you just did, okay? It only takes, so think about this. It says $20 and 25 cents, but check this out though. They're running promotions. So now whatever was $20 is now $27. So you'll get paid $27 per person that does whatever you just did to get your credit. Every time that you get someone to do that. So let's say you got, let's see, I'm gonna find my calculator here. Let's say you got 10 people to do that. That's $270. If you did that every day, that's $270 a day, and 270 times 7, that's $1,800 every week that you made. Okay? But let's say you didn't do 10. Let's just say you did 4 people a day. That's $108 a day. Okay? And 108 times 7, that's $756 a week for you. Okay? And every 2 weeks, that's $1,500 every 2 weeks. And what if you worked a job and you did this on top of your salary or on top of whatever you're making now? That's how much money you'll be making. Okay, this is a very simple system. It's legit, as you can already see. So go ahead and get started below. Let me help you. We will train you. You are not in this alone. And by the way, the last thing that I wanted to tell you to show you that it's legit, okay, we have a proof gallery right here. So feel free at any time. Click the proof gallery. It'll show you people getting paid $27, like I told you. It's just a slideshow of people just getting paid all day. Okay, it's gonna keep going, and you're just gonna continue to see. They do have different levels if you want to start off at a smaller level, but I would advise you to go ahead and start off at the $27 level. Perfect. Okay, $27 payments. So it's legit. It works. People are getting paid. Go ahead and get started today, and then let me help you make some money. All right. See you guys later.